In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly fix OneDrive sync pending error. 5 minutes. If your OneDrive is stuck on sync pending, this quick refresh usually gets everything moving again. We'll temporarily pause syncing, fully close the app, then start it back up from File Explorer. Finally, if it's still not behaving, a simple computer restart often clears the last bit of stubbornness. Start by going to the taskbar at the bottom right of your screen and finding the OneDrive cloud icon. If you don't see it right away, click the small arrow to show hidden icons. Click the cloud to open the OneDrive panel, then look for the gear icon to open settings. From that menu, choose Pause Syncing. Don't worry, this is just temporary. Pausing helps release anything that's stuck in the queue and prepares OneDrive for a clean restart. Next, from the same gear menu, choose Quit OneDrive. This fully closes the app and its background processes. It won't remove your files or unlink your account. It simply shuts the app down so we can relaunch it fresh. Now open File Explorer. You can do that from your taskbar, from the Start menu, or by pressing the Windows key and the letter E. In the left sidebar, select OneDrive to open your OneDrive folder. Inside this folder, look for and click Start OneDrive. This launches the OneDrive app again and kicks off the sync engine with a clean state. Watch the cloud icon reappear in your taskbar. You should see messages like signing in, processing changes, or similar status updates. Give it a minute to settle, especially if you have a lot of files. A quick way to confirm it's working is to check a file that was previously stuck. It should change from sync pending to a synced status once the refresh completes. If sync is still not moving after this restart, go ahead and restart your PC. Save your work, close any open apps, and perform a normal restart. This clears temporary glitches and resets background services that OneDrive relies on. After your computer boots back up, OneDrive will start automatically and typically resume syncing right away. This process doesn't delete anything and doesn't require you to sign in again. It simply refreshes OneDrive and the underlying services. In most cases, pausing, quitting, and starting OneDrive from File Explorer is all it takes, and a quick PC restart is the reliable fallback. Try these steps the next time you see sync pending, and you should be back to a healthy, steady sync in just a few minutes.